everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today again a dessert recipe which is a very popular sweet curd. You must have heard already, which is a very popular thing in West Bengal. So there's a little twist to that which I am going to show you today. It's a mango, as you can see already. So I am going to show you mango flavored curd and how to make that detailed way of it. So for that, these are all the ingredients that will be required. And then before going to the recipe, if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, please do subscribe and also press the bell icon for getting the notification of my subsequent uploads. So let's begin. First things, let me tell you the ingredients first. So for the ingredients, I have to take I have taken here sour curd starter. So this is 1 tablespoon of sour curd starter, and this is a glass in which I am going to make the mango curd. So for that I have taken 1 tablespoon of starter. This is the full cream milk. You can also prefer normal milk. I have taken here full cream milk, and the full cream milk was 700 ml initially. What I have done is that I have put it in the low flame and have boiled it for around 15 minutes in the low flame, 15 to 20 minutes to get it thickened. So it's not very thick, it's not very runny also. You see the mark of the milk. So till here the milk was, and it has got reduced till here. So that is the kind of consistency of the milk that I am looking for. Not very thick, not very runny. And in the milk while boiling, I have added like around 6 tablespoons of sugar. So the level of the sugar is according to the level of tolerance you have, and in that milk I am going to add some sweet mangoes as well. So you can remember, like do not add too much of sweetness, because then that will be a sweetness overloaded in the curd. So for that 700 ml milk, I have taken here 6 to 7 spoons of sugar. I have boiled it to around 15 minutes, and it has come to this consistency. So now what I'll be doing is that I have taken 2 fresh ripe mangoes. These are the standard size 2 ripe mangoes, which I'll be taking and the pulp of. So let's begin with taking the pulp of this mango, and we'll show you the rest of the recipe with it. After all the mango pulp is taken out of those 2 mangoes, I had here taken chosa mangoes. So you have to take a mango of a very good quality, unless otherwise the taste won't come out nicely. So now we will be putting it into the mixing jar. Now that we have put it into the mixing jar, we will be making a very smooth paste of this mango. Now you see the fresh mango pulp is already made. It preferably don't keep too much of juice of the mango in it, because it has to be mixed when it is a thick pulp. So now we are going to mix it with the milk, which was already boiled, and the sugar was already mixed in it. So let's do it. Now to this milk, which was in a lukewarm state, we are mixing the mango pulp. You have to put it and stir it nicely, so that the mango gets completely mixed with the milk. Now mix the milk, which is mixed with the mango pulp, very nicely, so that the mango gets completely mixed with the milk. Now the curd starter, which we had put in the container in which we are going to make the curd, we are mixing it nicely before pouring the milk into it. This is a very crucial step, that you have to mix it nicely, the curd starter, before pouring the milk in it. Now after the curd starter was mixed, we are pouring the milk mixed with the mango and the sugar in the container. Here I had taken around 1 tablespoon of curd starter, and for that it's like a glass of this size. Now once the milk is already poured with the curd starter along with it in the container, what we have to do is that you have to keep it closed lid for around 7 to 8 hours to make it sit. The curd will sit properly and keep it untouched for around this total span of time, and then you will get the curd already done. So yeah, that's all you have to do for this amdoi recipe or the mango curd recipe, and we'll see once it is done how it is. So now it's been like 7 hours plus that I had put the amdoi for in making. So now you see I tilted, it is not coming out, it is already condensed now. So you have to give this much amount of time to get it condensed. So proper amdoi is already ready. Now what you have to do is that you have to put it in the refrigerator, let it cool for around 2 hours, and then serve it chilled. So that is how it will taste the best. So that's all about my today's amdoi recipe. Hope you liked it, and please do try it at home and let me know how was the taste of it. If you are Bengali, you already know it tastes fabulous, and if you are not a Bengali person also, do try it out and let me know in the comment section below how was the taste of it. So that's all, and if you have not also subscribed to my channel already, please do subscribe and also press the bell icon for notification of my subsequent uploads. Bye bye, take care, stay tuned.